I knew in my 40s that this was not the life that I was supposed to be living. I was not supposed to be on the outside looking in. One of the benefits of being such a young grandmother was that I was supposed to be able to enjoy that time with my granddaughter, and being overweight, I couldn't do it. I was exceptionally overweight. I was having difficulty with my knees. I was having pain with sciatica. I also had horrible acid reflux. I was on medications. I had had a heart attack about 5 years ago. It definitely limited me. I tried to stay in the background more than the foreground of things, and just was a very uncomfortable existence at that point. Dr. Aronow definitely is a very confident surgeon. He knows his program works. He can show you the data, he can show you the numbers, but when you look at his patients, you can really see what an amazing surgeon he is. He's considerate, he's funny, he's just a real human being, and he made me feel comfortable within 30 seconds of meeting him. The whole 6 months that I used preparing were just amazing. I was able to meet with the dietitians monthly, and they gave me steps to take along the way of changing my eating habits ahead of time, preparing myself for the way I'm going to have to eat and drink for the rest of my life. I really felt like I was being given another opportunity at a healthy life because this group was so caring and so kind throughout the whole process. They've made it clear that forever they are here for us. So as long as that practice is in place, I know that I have this group of people to go to. My life is amazing now. I have met and exceeded even my own goals for this weight loss surgery. Weight-wise, that's just one thing. That's a number on the scale. I don't take high blood pressure meds anymore. I don't take medicine for my heart anymore. I'm walking, I'm power walking, I'm jogging, and I even do break out into a sprint for part of it. And it hit the point where I was doing lunchtime 5Ks. I would just order a bunch of these virtual 5K medals and pick one each day. To me, it's just the most exhilarating experience because I never, ever pictured myself running, ever. My granddaughter and I have an absolute blast together now. We get outside. She's just fascinated by the fact that Meme can run now. Meme never ran before. To be able to just be outside with her and to chase her around and get on the floor with her and build puzzles and just all the stuff that I always dreamt of doing as her Meme, I can do that now. And I'm not afraid to be in the foreground anymore. I took this opportunity to just really rebuild myself and really focus on where I want to go from here. I get teary-eyed thinking about it, but I owe the second chance at life to this program, and there's never going to be enough good that I can say about it.